Hi there and welcome to today's video where we will be diving into a comprehensive exploration of PRINCE2, a cornerstone in the realm of project management methodologies. PRINCE2 is one of the most talked about project management methodologies, and as a project manager, or someone aspiring to step into this role, understanding the intricacies of PRINCE2 can significantly elevate your project outcomes and career trajectory. Today, we'll delve deep into the essence of PRINCE2 and its undeniable importance in the world of project management. A brief history of PRINCE2. PRINCE2, an acronym for Projects in Controlled Environments, is not just another project management method, it's a legacy. Born in the UK during the 1980s, it was the brainchild of the government's Central Computer and Telecommunications Agency, who needed to do something to improve the delivery of its project and programs. Its primary aim was to standardize project management practices across government projects. However, its efficacy soon became evident, leading to its adoption across various sectors and countries. Today, PRINCE2 is a beacon of excellence in project management, recognized and used globally in many industries and particularly on technology projects. The core principles of PRINCE2. 1. Continued business justification. A project isn't just about doing something, it's about adding value. 1. Every PRINCE2 project ensures that there's a clear business rationale, with discernible benefits that justify the investment. 2. Learn from experience. History is a great teacher. 2. PRINCE2 mandates that project teams should not only document their experiences but actively learn from past projects, ensuring mistakes aren't repeated. 3. Defined roles and responsibilities. Clarity is key. 3. Everyone involved in a PRINCE2 project knows their role, responsibilities, and what's expected of them, eliminating ambiguity. 4. Manage by stages. Instead of viewing a project as one colossal task, PRINCE2 breaks it down into manageable, logical stages, allowing for better control and more accurate forecasting. 5. Manage by exception. Empowerment and trust are central to PRINCE2. 5. Teams have the autonomy to work within predefined boundaries. 5. However, if something goes beyond these boundaries, it's escalated, ensuring timely interventions. 6. Focus on products. It's not just about the journey but the destination. 6. PRINCE2 projects are outcome-oriented, ensuring that they deliver tangible results that meet predefined quality criteria. 7. Tailor to suit the project environment. No two projects are the same. 7. PRINCE2 is versatile, allowing adjustments based on the project's unique characteristics and environment. The PRINCE2 processes. 1. Starting up a project. This is the blueprint phase. 1. Here, the project's feasibility, scope, and approach are meticulously defined, ensuring a solid foundation. 2. Directing a project. This is the captain's bridge. 2. Senior management oversees the project's trajectory, making pivotal decisions and steering its course. 3. Initiating a project. This is where the rubber meets the road. 3. A detailed project plan is crafted, encompassing all aspects, from risks to quality expectations. 4. Controlling a stage. Like a vigilant sentinel, this process ensures that each project stage stays on track, with resources, risks, and deviations managed effectively. 5. Managing product delivery. This is the delivery mechanism of PRINCE2. 5. It ensures that the project's outputs align with the agreed-upon specifications and stakeholder expectations. 6. Managing a stage boundary. As one stage concludes and another beckons, this process ensures a seamless transition, with learnings carried forward and new plans set. 7. Closing a project. Every journey has an end. 7. This process ensures that the project concludes with all objectives met, stakeholders satisfied, and every learning documented for future endeavors. Benefits of using PRINCE2. Clear framework. With its structured approach, PRINCE2 ensures that projects have a consistent trajectory, with every phase clearly defined and controlled. Flexibility. Its adaptability is one of PRINCE2's strongest suits. Whether it's a small internal project or a multinational initiative, PRINCE2 molds itself to fit perfectly. Risk management. In the unpredictable world of projects, PRINCE2's proactive approach to risk management ensures that potential pitfalls are identified, assessed, and mitigated well in advance. Stakeholder engagement. With its emphasis on regular reviews and checks, PRINCE2 ensures that stakeholders are always informed, involved, and invested. Improved resource allocation. Efficiency is at the heart of PRINCE2. By clearly defining roles and responsibilities, it ensures that every resource, be it human or material, is utilized optimally. Why should you care about PRINCE2 as a project manager? 1. Global recognition. In many parts of the world, PRINCE2 isn't just preferred, it's expected. 1. Having this certification can open doors to opportunities across the globe. 2. Enhanced skills. PRINCE2 isn't just about theory. It's a practical toolkit that equips you with actionable strategies and techniques to manage projects with finesse. 2. While it's still well used in the UK, it's often the preferred methodology in much of Europe, Australia, New Zealand and Canada. 3. Better job prospects. As organizations increasingly recognize the value of standardized project management, PRINCE2 certification has become a sought-after credential in job listings. 4. Increased earning potential. Beyond the job competencies, PRINCE2 certified professionals often have a distinct edge in salary negotiations, commanding remunerations that reflect their expertise. 5. Networking opportunities. Being part of the global PRINCE2 community offers unparalleled opportunities to connect, collaborate, and converse with fellow professionals, enriching your knowledge and perspective. In the dynamic and demanding world of project management, PRINCE2 emerges as a beacon of structured efficiency. It's not just a methodology, it's a mindset that prioritizes clarity, control, and continuous improvement. As we wrap up this exploration, we hope you're inspired to delve deeper, embrace PRINCE2, and elevate your projects to unparalleled heights of success. Have you used PRINCE2? Would you recommend it as a methodology? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, ring the bell and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.